Hello, all you find and watch channel upload subject Instagram 5 tips and tricks, its meaning point in setting. All you are deaf confuse Instagram in video waste much and photo don't quality post. How to solve Instagram in setting tips me tell and you full watching video or don't half watching video you understand after mobile safe in please you should YouTube a video share your friend, you all see after. Step 1 How to problem and solve it archive your Instagram in post copy save photo it why it again save copy photo and your Instagram in reels video upload it save copy why again save copy video and also your story upload after again save in archive you want your Instagram photo reels story in save copy how to solve tips you all see short video tips after. Start you see my mobile and my account profile open in setting and privacy, archiving and downloading, all it's off and your Instagram post, reels, story and your mobile haven't saved photo, video, story easy you understand and video short finish. Step 2 You all know your photo editing or other app make photo big MB after your Instagram post without quality KB some photo bad and you want your photo big MB same your Instagram in post big MB and how to solve video tips you see. Start you see my account profile in setting and privacy, data usage and media quality, upload at highest quality on and post big MB, quality highest you understanding. Step 3 You all know your Instagram in search the video bad, waste its video dangerous much and you want solve banned video dangerous and problem social media and follower your friend see like video waste dangerous gave your Instagram in videos waste and dangerous and how to solve ban video tips tell after see. First start you see my account profile in setting and privacy, suggested content, sensitive content, click choose, less, confirm and meaning equals first standard they love view fast video waste and dangerous and second less they love view normal fun, def sign video, cook, bike, etc other and you see show my Instagram their video normal and you should let's your Instagram setting less view normal. Step 4 All you know post, reels, story and your Instagram upload they view your post low and how to solve fast its view much and your story view low and how solve fast view and your reels view low and how to solve fast views and you see how to setting solve after view fast much. First start you see my account profile in setting and privacy, sharing and remixes, all it's on after view high and if your Instagram it's off after view low and you understand. Step 5. End all you know you with friend camera in photo. After your post with tag your friend, haven't share his friend and he single see what his friends don't see, and it's tag don't important. And how to solve setting you with your friend share post and you see video after. First start you see your Instagram in any photo, choose one photo next and your right idea and tag people in invite collaborate you another friend use name and one invite with photo click success. Share massage your friend and your friend see click accept with your post, or your friend don't accept without your post alone, and another his Instagram in MSG post. Click review accepted after your friend name with your post you understanding.
All you see finish my video tips and tricks. You want more tips and tricks in Instagram, you comment chat my channel listen next upload new tips and tricks a video Instagram, and please you all share your friends plus you support subscribe my channel you full watched video. Thank you.